mwithiri wa Meru TV tu atabanko eno kwera gukanyuma tukainambira kwegwa tukewatanagira na madam aga tueleze mantu makona biashara tuyantere chienda gani tu kainambira kwegwa twera biashara yake biashara ya udongi na ole agaunda gani ntere chechuko kainambira kokenda kudonde konkunyokenda kurembizore mbeka kainambira kwegwa kiyagawo na ikengo kainambira kwegwa ogetunga tagaro karibu sana bwega nontu kwa na Meru TV agawo mthenya we mundi kethi murithiri wa Meru TV mureri marito makuna ikengo tukewa tukiambagiri bwega.
Thank you so much. Magito mbetawa nkadha wa murithi tulikaga wira jonda gani place wa Juvela City. Wenda gani ukona petrol station wa Juvela City. First floor ya building ya Juvela City unyoga twetwa Pazuri Beauty Salon and Spa. Netunenkanagira services ta facial therapy. Netunenkanagira services singe ta pedicure, turodagona manicure, neturodaga different styles of hairstyling, ta dreadlocks weja tugakuruda dreadlocks, weja tugakuruda on artificial dreadlocks and other services tia salon yeah.
Bwega sana. Maybe no tutaragiria biashara eno ya kuambiambiri na labda mbio yatemire wenda kwambiri biashara eno ya mantu maudongi kana no tuga kwena biashara chingi kithombo kewa okiruthaga na kinyachika inambere kwikiruthaga bwega.
Okay, ndambiria wira wo mwakani wa 2022 wira wo ni wira ndendete muno kumonde munini koguo no ndari na passion na wira no kiurugula otherwise ara ndinge ugandi ndendaga kumenya muno ni to get skills no tuno wira ndendete kuruthaga ona kuma ndi mwana munini ni wira ndendete kulita koguo ni ndambire kuthio nani skulu nda get skills on how to approach the client na kumenya na skills ya amount na therapy na beauty all package ya beauty. Yeah,
I understand that bantu wako na kinyachukuru ya mantu ma beauty maybe chukuru yitawata na kinyayo yitumiki bibwata mebura chukuru kana urugura chukuru kwethwa wena nduka ya udongi halafu kagura chukuru
wambere mage tukaga atumira turugula salon tukina rugula cosmetics dini ya salon yetu ni ndenda product nyingi muno client bakiendaga na ni ndenda wande na challenges nyingi muno na kuigwata kogundo no twagupikaga client nkagulaga every product ula client yakwenda ndona niwega ndete this product jina high quality ya gutumagira na client bakwa kintu kira kyatumire ru skuru tomerugula
skuru yo yetawa tambere ma
skuru yetawa ya etagwa Pazuri Beauty College.
Okay.
Netunenkanagira courses ya diploma in cosmetology on a certificate na artisan. Auto domithagia wolo na mount na ya dressing na beauty. Yeah.
Na yitumige chukuru
yitumige karugulile na yo skuru tukurugula guko nituonile client. Client nejaga mama akethwa na daughters ona sons. Akauga no aringi thwa kendaga mwana wawe atwika na kulitawira tona na ulagiria no nturi gutina skuru withina chuka bakona ina challenge ya kuthija Nairobi bona riu ni wega tumirugule within no tona kwina demand tona turugule ba get these skills no tona jari mwira tuthondekaga mauntu na nkunyu ukona mtu agitwike interested no turi twambiririo kubaritanira guku tona space kunyinya no turi tona ni tuko need client na ni tuko need ona student bago tona turugule skuru in this building bado next house after aja tuli kwina skuru ira twarugulire liwao ni tunenkanagira professional skills about beauty in their dressing.
Bwega sana maybe kwina ntu bengi sana bena arome baringenda ko bena skills taino chia kuthondekana ntundu kuruza na mtu enda kwa kimenyaga maybe in text yenu chiare ile bwendo ragari twakuthungira chukuru maybe marimenu methagiro makarakangangi ata no wewe ukira mtoto yote turegete ntwe munde.
Thank you. Leo Mount na school.
Yeah.
Twetho tukejukia ritwa anytime during the year. Since it's a private school, kuona gaintukia aritwa at once. Patonya school barikia that semester mebo kikundi fulani nituonire kwina challenges bado kethagiria thaibo aloko ukethagiria wena students at least 5 leo nituonire twarugura twatwika open muritwa kezaga kathomaga uri ejire ona part time na nini nituonire tuki accommodate more students.
Okay. Bwega sana. Oturekire services irabonekanagira maybe services ikareta ikinonto maybe gomba kwokera muntu aye arothonde kwe ntundu agakana thonde continue aho kando na salons ira chinge china arome.
Okay. Weje taujo pazuri twina antubara tulitagana bo wera guko. They are not just people, ni antoben passionate about this wera. Ni mtu antobenda gakuthikiria ni mbi client ya kwenda na ni antobende teo na gwa accommodate client mono. Kintu kingi kira ndenge ugabeje but choose ni twithwa twina skills. Okay, mtu na thino na tire scalp, dry scalps. Okay, wina thin hairs, nitulotha mauntu mo then atugaku advice on which product you're going to take, the best product for your skin, the scalps na nini.
Bwega sana. Maybe kire marabethere tubakiya gaga uko the services feedback ya na uwo meyithagirwe karakarangangeta.
Feedback yao in fact kumatoa wata client tukirugula na challenge ya kukwata client o client bara tuonire indira tukirugula. I am grateful to they are the same client who come here na bakitungagirona bagiturifaga kogu that tells us that we are doing well.
Okay. Na maybe in the next 5 years maybe pazuri ulienda pazuri yomba kwewe kinyete kiwango kiriko.
In the next 5 years ndingienda tutuna more branches, something like that.
Okay. Bwana branches want to mwanya. Chukuru na akeri kana kwena kinyago tukongere yo.
Ona school iliyo wajake but by the end of it like 5 years kana 3 nituko esirio turingi umakiri in a building tudikiri a whole compound ila tukalotha a big structure of an institution.
Na maybe tukiaragire mantu machukuru ikinonto mbakwegokera antu bachuze chukuru ya pazuri.
We school ya pazuri beauty college with our way free to lead how you are able mauntu na maliyo na monoto alagiriria onoketho we wera gontu konge teka we fixed kwejaga school every time to in part time classes kogu ole we student gukugweto tukamuthomithia kulingana na ule akuonekana. Yes.
Kogu kwena kinya part time classes.
Kwena part time classes.
Na online classes?
Kuna online classes. Na Pazuri Beauty College tuna trained teachers. Baraba kunekania the services and the education about the skills, the services and the skills about the school. So the student ona baraba kulitawe baraba kuthoma kuria ukethagirio nabo they are going to hustle somewhere apart from being in school niba ku get professional skills bakegwa ben encouraged na confidence ya kulitawira kungi that means kiraba kuthoma ni bakugwata.
Wow, I love that. Mtu akenda kumenya mantu mengi makona inachukuru maybe kwena website kwena mitandao ya kijamii aromba kuthia karaitha mantu mengi mengi inachukuru maybe
twena Instagram twena TikTok kukunde adosieto ni Pazuri Beauty School of Cosmetology. Pazuri Beauty School of Cosmetology.
Na mtu akenda kuroda registration wakinyiri agauka na kwena online registrations
kwena nambere baringi miringa. Tuka advice now the client agatukinyira atia. Maybe wewe tunenkagira namba tukirikarikiria amuthia wa mubango. Nkona nduka ni nene sana. Ntiye kana ikuthondeka kibuthondeka mantu ma beauty kana kinya kwendi no bwenda gintu bibio longi no wewe to clarify nitwenda gintu ja beauty otola nkwirire twonire client bena challenges nyingi muno cia kugwataga product ndio tuonire twige cosmetics inside this job. Ni tuendagia into nyingi, tuendagia spray original, all types, tuendagia all skin product, just mwili, ni tuadvasaga mtu ona maunto ma skin care routine, ni tuendagia jelly release, tuendagia bags ya ladies, ni tuendagia petcoats ya ladies, ni tuendagia all things that entails mantumodongi. Yes.
Bwega sana. No wewe geto ya tukarono kanini kuma bukwambire biashara eno mwanke munde twe kuma that 2021 yeah mwanke munde twe maybe rugendo rwithiritwa rukaria ta yako ina challenges bwithiritwa bweko rukagera rugendo rwithiritwa rukarakaria ta
rugendo rwatwambire twa mwaka wa 2022 nitwari na challenges sikiambiriria ya client twari na challenges ya get client but now God is grateful to na client na tukwambiria wero nituonire tuongere tukukuga matumo cosmetics tuna challenges na mbesa we na idea ukedagiria we na this idea kana client na kwenda certain certain thing like an equipment angienda bwitho bwina yo that nini mbere tugwata those items the machines ya gutumira on the client nitego tuna challenges na amount na mbesa but eventually ukethiria no tunukugo kuthikiria client na no tunukugo kugwatirira client yoya ukono gipusho getuma ukagera consistency kuwirani bakagia kona that thing to buy the stuff that the client desire kamba ku deliver.
Bwega sana kwa mtumba kwa watu ridhite na arome na maybe adhiritwa kigeragia bikwe wena biashara teno yako maybe akagere watu kabutiko ombekana akagere akinyabantu akawa agachoka nyuma kaire mundu twagomba kumwirata
mtoto ndenge mwa hope na kumwira to the consistency na wira wake adhikiririe interest ya client no to ni client to mite to client veto ni vote tatumaga to kontuta goko ndio kediria waigwa no kuthikiria client ni ndia kwenda na kebendaga ukavina bo nithagirio gya chief mo ndio ndingeba encourage onabo tukethwa no kwambiritie biashara wonekegwa maybe no withona ni skills utari na joani ile ona client atonyire ethera utina good skills na kuna kuongea ruthirigio tutagikina kya mukenya nare na naye jagitamu Kenya kwa hivyo mount na skills na moni mama tagamo ukethwa batena skills ingi mtu aya ivire kwenda wira to au gakadi ya rugure it is advisable muno kwethwa wena skills ya wiro I think skills they are the key.
All right. So maybe siri ya kuiwa wena biashara mbega neri secret ya kuwa wena successful business kengo biashara ebibwega maybe imantu mamwe mari kubateri kwevo kiroda
mantu maro faito kila idea mantu na
kengo biashara
ya kwethelema ni presence yaku presence yaku ilani ni mataga muno nutu mantu maingi muno ni mekarikaga wira mwingi muno no litagwa wilani lakini uketheria inya siri ya wila ni kujituma yeah
okay bwega sana na maybe tokere kare kageria gaturaithe mantuma kone chukuru kidogo gututariria mantuma kosi no gututaragire tu maybe kwe mto amba kwe kenda kuruza kosi chia chukuru ino yetu no gututaragiria kosi no chio nde mampora gutwera kire wentel mbere turikiria
okay now skuru nitunenganagira professional skills that is cosmetology mtoro kwenda kuza cosmetology aruzaga hairdressing na beauty watanite na nitekaga wania jedwa jena 4 semesters mtoro kwenda
kuza grade maybe kira qualifications
qualifications tia kulotha direct diploma in cosmetology no mbakagyo rero kinyi uri kite form 4 any grade
tuendelee na courses
leo courses ila tunekanagira teunda kwira ya cosmetology watanite na ya dressing na beauty kwena beauty yonka kwena ya dressing yonka alafu kuna short courses ta massage tunakanagira skills ya ta massage yonka package niturodaga makeup yonka as a short course niturodaga mountain and technology short course kintu takimu.
Okay, wega sana. Thank you very much. Nonto bwa agutwinambere kwa twikinya murithire wa Meru TV na ngwitigia kuinambere kwa kibiragiru ukienda kuthoma mantu maigenie na wakana rangi ukienda kuthoma na mantu maigenie na kuthondeka antu bathongama withire twakiroto gyaku gikwiwa wena saluni mbega na ire iguru sana ngwitiwe kinyaga upazuri ukainambere kwaigwa ukiwataga antu momonde kana ukiwata skills nchionde nonto ngwetie kinya fia gatweleza maybe tie kana ire iguru muno lakini ndi na gometire iguru muno ukinyetiaga ukainambere kwaigwa ugishure kagiro bwega bora kubatiri maybe tukirikiria ugitwera amantu mafi maybe karakarangangia ta watwekera ugitweraga mtu akaenda kubuwata mtu akaenda kubukinyira akabukinyangira ta no akinyiri aho kana kwena maybe untu bwena ubichi untu konge na mantu mangita marako kwena namba ya dimwiri aho ukainambere kwa gitu nenkagira kengo barabomba kwa bakenda usiki mo guidance bomba kubukinyira.
Thank you sana. Mutegeri wa Meru TV our courses eunda uga mbele ya cosmetology either 1 year that is 60,000.
Okay.
60,000 every course ukalotha nituotha administration ya 5,350. Leo course inge tuliagia per month niyo tuliagia 5,000. Leo thero lotha 1 year is 5 times 12 60. Whether lotha ya 9 months tayo beauty yonka ni 45,000. Air dressing 45,000. Air dressing nail technology okay there are 20,000 no to it take 4 months plus now every course ukalotha kiata waina and administration fee ila tugire ya 5,350. You will go the nail technology ukalia 20,000 plus the 5,350 for the administration. Yeah.
Bwega sana. Mtu akienda kubukinyira?
Mtu akienda kubukinyira no alinge namba 0706 181 167.
Chokera kaire?
0706 181 167.
Bwega na mitandao ya kijamii maybe Facebook, YouTube nao?
Yeah. Tuna Facebook ya Pazuri Beauty College na TikTok Pazuri Beauty College. Yes.
Bwega sana, thank you. No riki na utwira kaire direction ya mtu mite town mtu mite bwa Nairobi araka thongira ke ngomba Kenya labda urakwenda kuwata services chienu.
Mtuonde wa Meru TV ro traiterete you're welcome na umete side ya Nairobi wakinyachuka town uga proceed Burumba ko kinyendagani wendagani kuna petrol station yitwa Juvelas petrol station watonya building yu kuna building yandiki Pazuri yandiki Juvelas City building yu first floor yayo kuna to kwandiki Pazuri Beauty College first floor ya Juvelas City au niyo gatwedera ukaida igorolia building yu we Juvelas City wala idelia we gurukera billboard nini andos cheto ya advertisement tukirite yandiki Pazuri Beauty Salon and Spa. Yeah.
Nadu intake maybe chukuru ya July okay.
Na this May to intake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kwa wari tobonde bara bakwenda kurutha courses bakinyaga ubukaba udumia.
Yeah, we are really hoping to get them.
Okay. Bwega sana. Thank you very much for having us. Bwega nuntu kinyabwa ngo embegara bukurutaga ugo na bwega nuntu bakundumia client bwega.
Na ninkauga pia bado thank you so much nuntu bwago to visit ukari recognize well. Also that means you are doing well. Nduko tukubatoe humbled kwedo twena thini wa building ya Pazuri Salon muthenyomde.
Thank you very much. Asante. Thank you. Bwega. Bwega muri Meru TV ukwebegerwa era wabutimbe otimbi eteri ko inambere kwokega wa mondema na ndao kanga ongera kanka adhukia ko una tuwa inambere kwokega gwa kenda kuwata skills chia hali ya juu mantu makone na beauty ikinyaga no kainambere kwegwa kyudumya grobora kubateri wowe na mwana na arora muji aringenda kwegwa akithondeka kana kirutha mantu makone na beauty murete agago kengwa kainambere kwakewata skills iri kainambere kwegwa ikimutethagiria maisha ni matuga kagita konde mubango yo mubia wao tokainambere kwa tukithoma gantu ngwetiyo kwithomera mantu maingi muno biashara no nkinyago umerie no nkinyago wena discipline kengo biashara ya kwiyomba kwegwa ikithiaga bwega kawithira bambitani family nazo kimathi uko ni kwa Meru TV na mubango ni tubaitithanie kagita content wichionde kwiraga thina mbere kwigwa ori Meru TV mwanka kagita kaukangi goodbye.